Hello everyone, myself Divesh Mistry. As being a former student at DMTI Softpro, I would like to share my experience today over here. I would start by saying that it was a wonderful experience in here, as the facility and the faculty were both amazing and very hardworking. So it was an awesome experience, and it was very focused and a very friendly environment which I got to experience over here. And the teacher at the AutoCAD department was really amazing. All my doubts were cleared very smoothly, and all any other queries and all were looked after very nicely. Since being a part of this institute, I learned that you don't have to have any worries regarding your interior designing or something like that. You can just come here, you can just share your wants and needs over here, whatever you feel like, and they'll accordingly help you, and they'll suggest you all the softwares what they have over here. And being a student over here, I have also learned that the discipline what they have maintained over here is next level. So I really highly recommend this institute for AutoCAD and other software available in the market, whichever needed. You can definitely go ahead with this, and I wish them all the best for their future endeavors. Thank you so much, DMTI Softpro. This was Divesh Mistry.